Torta Cebuana. A dessert from Philippines. Serves 2. You will need 12 ingredients. Step 1. Sift together flour, baking powder and salt. Set aside. Step 2. In a big bowl, combine egg yolks and 1 1/4 cup sugar. Stir until blended. Set bowl over saucepan containing about 2 inches hot water. Step 3. Set saucepan over low heat and stir the mixture gently until lukewarm. Step 4. Remove bowl from saucepan and beat the egg mixture for 8 minutes at medium speed, until the mixture is light, fluffy and cool. Step 5. Blend in 2/3 of the flour mixture alternately with milk. Fold in gently the remaining flour mixture together with lard, butter, and honey seeds. Step 6. Pour into paper-lined torta tins, 2/3 full, and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes or until light brown. Remove from oven. Step 7. Brush tops with slightly beaten egg. Arrange strips of cottage cheese, and sprinkle with sugar. Return to oven and continue baking until topping is dry, about 6 minutes. Step 8. Remove from tins and cool on rack. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.